1, 2, 3. Okay. So 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I got exactly this here. So just glue it. I don't think it's long enough, so maybe adjust a little bit more. One already done. Now number 2. Number 3. Okay, here. Very good. Very good job, Kitty. Good job, Kitty. Good job. Right here. Making sure here and here. Okay. So, gonna be right here. Here you go. Making sure it's the right spot. Okay. Whoop. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, just put this one. Good job. A little bit more deeper. Good job, Kitty. Good job. Now 3. This way should be 3 and quarter. Yes, that is correct. 3/4 right here. Make it a little bit loose. 3 and quarter. Need a little bit loose. Little bit bigger. 3 and quarter. A little bit bigger. 3 and quarter. A little bit bigger. Right here. And this way again. Gonna be 5. Maybe 5.5. 5 and 3. 5 and 1/4. 5.5. If 5.5, it's gonna be right here, maybe too big. 5 right here, 5.25. Okay, make sure this one first. 3. We need to lose a little bit, so we will go from here to here. 3 and 1/4. Yeah, 3 and 1/4. And we need to cut this one, 3 and 1/4. And we're gonna do this way. We can do this way too. This one is gonna be 3 and a little bit. So we need to do right here. Gonna be 5. Maybe we can go 5.25. 5/4. 5.25. Okay. Five and quarter right here. 5.25. bit thin. Get a little bit more at the edge. Here, a bit more. So we have done 2 tables for my woodworking, and here we have it. It's all unlocked. So test. Some is still locked. This is easy to move and okay. Now here you go. It's easy to move. Easy to move. It's very easy to move. We can use a lot. We can take this one out and put another machine in and work. And we can rearrange anytime we want. We can use this table for inside working, outside working. See, look, you can move very easy. You can move very easy. You can move because we put the big wheel. Easy. You can move by your own. And when summertime, spring, or maybe this moment we can take outside and work outside also. I'm very happy with the my working table.